Hi guys, welcome to Cook to Nourish. Today I brought for you a good spicy hot chocolate recipe. It has some spices like cinnamon and ginger, and it's incredibly warming, something that you would love to have now that the winter is fast coming on us. So hope you like this recipe. So we start by taking half a cup of coconut milk. I like to use this brand, Aroidi. And then I mix it with half a cup of water. So that's, you could also just use coconut milk, or you could use a lower amount of water. But I like to do half and half. And then I add a generous pinch of sea salt. This is about a 1-inch piece of cinnamon stick. And about a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. Now this is going to be very strong ginger flavor, so if you don't want it that powerful, you can reduce that quantity. And then also about half a tablespoon of maple syrup. Again, I like to keep it that much, and use another keto approved sweetener for keto version. And then let it just come to a simmer, and as it's warming, also add carob, which is going to be our chocolate. That's 1 tablespoon of carob powder. You could also add a little bit less if you don't want it that too strong. And of course, if you are able to tolerate cocoa, then you can use cocoa instead. And yeah, so for the carob to be mixed with the coconut milk, it needs to get warmed. So as it is warming, just keep stirring it and let all the lumps kind of dissolve, because carob tends to be tends to form small tiny lumps. So just continue heating it until all that is gone, and then transfer it to I like to transfer it to this my Cuisinart hand blender jar, and then I use the hand blender. Of course, yeah, don't forget to get the cinnamon piece out, because now you're going to blend it up. Now you can also use another kind of blender to blend this. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and I'm also going to add a little bit of gelatin. Now this is gelatin, not collagen, and I like to use anywhere between half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. Sometimes I'll do around 1, sometimes half. If you don't like the taste of gelatin much, I would say go on the smaller end, like do half a teaspoon. And then just whisk it up using your blender. Again, you can use a regular size blender, but then make sure that this is hot liquid, so you have to be very careful with a normal blender. So that's why I prefer this hand blender. And that's it, guys. You have nice, spicy, delicious hot cocoa. Enjoy. Thank you for watching, and hope you like this video. Please share and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.